Hey guys, I wanted to give you guys an update. I know that this is kind of the ordinary for this channel, and I wanted to do something new uh, and try something else for this channel. And so I went to the Philippines. Beforehand, I actually painted this shoe, this Hoka shoe. This is the original shoe that I had. Apparently it's all gray and now it's all red, and I actually use this paint here. And after if you ever been to the Philippines, you walk a lot. You go through mud, you go through rocks, and go through pretty much anything. You go through thousands of people through buses and jeepneys. They step on your foot, whatnot. And I tell you what, after all that, it did a pretty good job actually. This I actually clean the shoe. This is a very clean shoe right now. Washed it and all 9 yards. And there's some few things here, few nicks. Apparently this foam here is very soft. I'm sure if you have a much harder shoe or tougher shoe, you're gonna have a better result afterwards. As you can see here, I painted the bottom. I painted these here on the inside like this, as you can see. It didn't do very well on here. Of course, this has been through the sand and the water, and like I said, it's been abused, unfortunately. But overall, on the sides, it did a pretty good job here. I average about 20,000 walks. Up to 30,000 steps at one point when I was in Boracay. Of course, I used this in the sand, and like I said, this is the result of it. And to be honest with you, on my first time, actually, it did a pretty good job as far as retaining the paint here. And it still looks brand new actually. Once I touch all of this up, it's a whole brand new shoe. And I even touched that up. And there it goes. And so you can see, like I said, it did a pretty good job, to be honest with you.